At Revive, we're a water treatment as a service company on a mission to destroy PFAS. We do that through a technology called Supercritical Water Oxidation, or SCWO, through our PFAS Annihilators.
PFAS was made to be an inert chemical. It does a really great job of not reacting with other things that it comes in contact with, which makes it really great for putting out fires, but then that leads to a secondary problem of it staying around in the environment.
PFAS is one of the toughest environmental contaminants we've ever dealt with. And the fact that it's persistent, it accumulates in the human body, and then most importantly, it's toxic at really low levels. We believe destruction is really required to eliminate the risk to not only human health, but to the environment. So at Revive, we're really focused on aqueous streams of PFAS. And so a lot of what you'll see in our facility is AFFF firefighting foams, the rinsates associated with foam transition, and then high volume recurring liquid streams of PFAS, primarily landfill leachate and industrial wastewater.
We take in those streams, we feed it into our annihilator system. We use supercritical water oxidation, which means we get the water stream to really high temperatures and pressures to be able to completely mineralize the PFAS. We take those carbon-fluorine bonds, we break them, and we create CO2 and hydrofluoric acid. Then we neutralize that on the back end to be able to safely handle it, as well as discharge to city water streams.
We help customers separate PFAS from those high volume recurring streams, and then we process those for destruction. We help everyone from state takeback programs that are dealing with the challenges of AFFF, landfills that are dealing with high volume recurring streams that are contaminated with PFAS, commercial airports that are working through foam transition, petrochemical industry, and then contaminated groundwater. We're helping those customers manage that AFFF concentrate, destroy it, provide them a certificate of processing that shows that they're meeting the discharge limits, and that they can end their liability. So let's say you're a commercial airport. You've got an ARFF vehicle that's got PFAS or AFFF firefighting foam in it. Revive would come and help you clean out that truck, remove the PFAS containing waste, that AFFF. We would then barcode that at the site, ship it responsibly to one of our permitted facilities like here in Columbus or in Michigan. We would then process that material through our storage and handling, through treating it via SCWO, sending it off for confirmation analytical results. Once we have those results back, then we discharge that treated effluent to here through a POTW, or basically a permitted discharge facility.
One of the most exciting things that we've worked on is the Ohio State AFFF Takeback Program. We took back AFFF from all counties in Ohio, a lot of different cities, really small townships, including the one that I grew up in. I was really excited to see Ashtabula County Fire Department on a bucket of AFFF, because I know that they were able to use the funding from the Ohio State Takeback Program to be able to remove the PFAS out of their backyard, where I grew up, right on Lake Erie, to be able to destroy that PFAS and be able to make it a little bit safer. That's an exciting thing to be we are fixing the problem and starting right here in the state. It just makes you feel better to come to work and actually destroy PFAS and make the world just a little bit better every day.
So when we do state take-back programs, we do collection events, and families come and say thank you because you're taking these firefighting foams out of their local fire departments that their brothers, their husbands, their wives have been exposed to. And so from that perspective, it's been a real mission for me, is really helping solve these environmental challenges in a real practical way that's affecting people every day.